Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the 4-hour time frame, we had this big push down on Friday, and then we have very overlapping, very corrective looking ever since. I think there's a pretty good chance that this move up right here is going to be a correction to this move down. The question is it going to start like a big wave three and just make a very, very strong move down? Or is it just going to be like a wave C that goes down to like a Fibonacci retracement level and then turns back up? We will definitely be trying to answer that question when it starts. Going down to the 1-hour time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on the move down. It looks like it's trying to form like some sort of a WXY because it's like 1, 2, 3 up, possibly 1, 2, 3 down. Maybe this is now going to be like 1, 2, 3 up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So if we do get a big reaction at one of these Fib levels and it makes like a big engulfing down or a nice break of structure to the downside, then it's either going to go down and start a big old wave three or a big old wave C, just like I showed on the 4-hour time frame, which either scenario should be a pretty nice trade when it starts. So either way, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.